You're not getting the ribs.
You being a good boy?
You're not getting the ribs.
You want the ribs? What? That was pretty funny.
No ribs.
No ribs. No ribs.
You're not getting the ribs.
No ribs.
What's wrong, Casey? You want the ribs? You can't have the ribs. They're bad for you. No ribs. No ribs. No ribs. You can't have the ribs. They're bad for you. Go eat your food. Go eat your doggy food. Mikey can't help you with the ribs either.
Calm down. Just like a woman. Just like a woman.
He thinks Mikey's gonna get him the ribs.
Nom nom.